In this video, we are going to show you how to connect your WooCommerce store to Nihao Dropshipping. To start, log in or register a Nihao Dropshipping account. Go to Nihao dashboard, find WooCommerce under the authorization section, and then click Add Store. Enter the store URL without the https:// part, and click the text link under the Consumer Key Input field to go to the authorization page. Then click Approve to finish. Know that if you are not logged into your store, you need to log in first. So your WooCommerce store is successfully connected with your Nihao Dropshipping account. Just in case, we also provide another way to authorize by entering consumer key and the secret. It requires you to go to your store dashboard, find the setting under the WooCommerce section, and then click Advanced, REST API, and Add Key in Turn. Enter the description and change the permission to read or write. Finally, click Generate API Key. Then you find the consumer key and secret. Copy these keys and fill in the text fields. And finally, click Authorize. So these are the two ways to link your WooCommerce store to Nihao Dropshipping. We recommend you to choose the first one because it is simpler. If you encounter any problems using the Nihao Dropshipping plugin, please seek help from your account manager.